RYLAN Clark is planning a trip to Tel Aviv after getting beach body ready for the city's stunning men. The TV presenter, 33, visited Israel in 2018 for Eurovision and was pleasantly surprised at how good-looking the locals were. 3. RYLAN Clark wants to return to Tel Aviv now he has ditched his veneers and got beach body ready credit, splash. 3. The TV presenter visited the Israeli city in 2018 for EurovisionCredit, warning, use of this image is subject to the terms of use of BBC Pictures digital picture. Speaking about his time there on Alan Carr's Life's a Beach podcast, RYLAN says, "The most beautiful city." Alan interrupts, "Fit men as well." Agreeing, RYLAN continues, "Oh my god, like, it was literally, I don't know how to say this without looking a bit dirty, but I was walking around with a semi most of the time. But literally, it was door-to-door looks. And I mean stunning. I can't wait to go back." Remarking on RYLAN's recent body transformation, which has seen him ditch booze, hit the gym and gain 4 stone, Alan said, "Well, you're beach body ready now." "There we go," RYLAN replied, "but obviously I was married at the time, so it was never anything like that. Listen, I was looking around going, everyone is so beautiful here. I do not fit in. But literally, it was door-to-door looks. And I mean stunning. I can't wait to go back." RYLAN Clark. RYLAN is single following his split with husband of 6 years, Clark-Neal, last June. Following the breakup, RYLAN took 4 months off work and his weight plummeted to 13 pounds. RYLAN returned to work on Strictly, It Takes Two in the autumn and decided he wanted to get healthy. He signed up to the Six-Pack Revolution program, a 75-day plan guided with personal training sessions by body transformation guru Scott Harrison. RYLAN recently told The Sun, "It's done more for my mental health than it has for my body," which is a crazy thing to say because you can physically see the body change. "For my head, it was the best distraction, and at the same time it was a way to release a lot of emotion and focus on something other than what's going on around me." The star has also upgraded his smile in recent months, by ditching his famous veneers. RYLAN also told Alan, "I just had them redone. They are a lot smaller. I thought I am a grown-up." "They weren't that bad. They came around the corner before me. My teeth earn more money than I did, so I am quite happy for that. Now I thought, I have grown up, let's go shorter, let's go smaller. I feel I have grown into myself." 3. RYLAN split with husband Dan last year credit, Rex.